guys, I'm here now at Amsterdam Village Arena station. So I arrived here yesterday at Schiphol Airport, but unfortunately my luggage is left in Stockholm. So you can't see now because it's raining. I covered it, I'm so cold. But I bought my clothes. Fortunately there's cheap ones in Hostelle last night. They said they might deliver it today if it arrives, but we'll see how it goes. But for today, I'm on my way on my tour. We're going to the meeting point in Central Station. So as of now, it's raining. Hopefully it doesn't rain all day.
Explanation about food and shoes, and on the end the best part is coming: cheese tasting. From whole milk, Edam is made from skimmed milk, less fat. So that's the difference between Gouda and Edam cheese. We do also make goat cheese.
that's the end of our Netherlands part 1, and this is more of the Dutch countryside. We went to Zaanse Schans. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Edam, Volendam, and Marken. So it's more of the outside of Amsterdam, which is nice. We saw some windmills, try some cheese, and we have clog demonstrations. We went to the fishing village, and so yeah, yesterday, to sum it all up, so my baggage, it's still not here yet. They said it will arrive tonight at 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. expected delivery to our hostel. And speaking of hostel, I'm staying at Hostelle. That's the name of the place. It's a all-female dormitory. It's 15 minutes train ride away from the city center, so it's quite cheap and good. Shared bathroom and kitchen, but I think it's worth the penny because it's not too crowded and it's quite cheap. And I think that's it for part 1 in Netherlands. See you tomorrow, or I mean in the next vlog. See you in the next vlog.